that they said black men had in the Second World War and the First World War, the white males who went to Europe said to the white ladies, you don't want to have sex with the black man because they have tails. Now what they were referring to is the length of the penis in front. Do you follow me? But when the white male dresses up, he wants to have this long thing hanging down in the back of him. Okay? Are you all following me? Okay. We can call this exploring the contradictions of white supremacy. Okay. I guess you have ball games. What are the two series of ball games under white supremacy? For you, those of you who know, don't tell, let some new people guess. What are the two series of ball games in the white supremacy system and culture? Baseball. Those are C answers. You can't pass the course. Now remember, this is the key. This is the key that you have to keep in mind. The key is male genitalia, and the real key is black male genitalia. The concern of the entire white supremacy system and culture revolves around this issue. Okay, what are these things called? Testicles. But you're right. The testicles are also called balls, right? And the culture says what? Keep your eye on the ball. Now, we didn't know. We thought, well, watch the baseball as it's coming towards the bat. No, these are the balls. Okay. So I asked the question again, what are the two series of ball games in the white supremacy system and culture? Everybody looks at it, but not being trained. See, we're right now training ourselves to look at the dynamic of white supremacy, understanding it in depth, deep down underneath, so that we have a different perspective of what the surface phenomena is. Understanding the issue in white supremacy, there are two series of ball games, big brown and small white. Oh. All the balls fall under these categories. Let's start on the white side. Ping pong, tennis, golf, baseball. That's about it, right? Okay. Big brown, football, basketball, soccer, bowling ball, medicine ball. Got some medicine for you. Okay. Now, what are the balls that the most virile men play with? The big brown, right. The men that are considered to be most manly play with the big brown balls, football, basketball, right? Now let's look and see where these balls go. Uh-oh. The football goes into some white upright legs at the end of the field. The basketball goes into a white net. And then on the side, we have these little white dancing girls in short dresses. Oh. That's right. Oh. And hardly a black girl can get on the team, right? Right. These are the ladies who say that their ideal mates are tall, dark, and handsome. Do you follow? They are really playing out before the black men began to dominate, and I said it's no accident that they would dominate the games that have the big brown balls in it, okay? But before they really wanted to let black men play, then white males were playing with these big brown balls, pretending that they were the tall, dark, and handsome persons that the white female said that she liked best. Okay, the small white balls. What is the game that the most powerful white men play? Golf. And what happens to that little ball? That little white ball goes into a hole in black Mother Earth because white men say they're not men until they've had sexual intercourse with a black woman. Do you understand? So there they stand, long stick between legs, trying to put that little white ball in a hole in one. Do you follow? Yes. Everything is racism. What are the two series of smoking objects in the white supremacy system and culture? No, come on, I've told you. See, keep this in your mind. Big brown and small white. Big brown, cigars, pipes, and Moors. They say they taste better. Small white, cigarettes.